Hey everyone, welcome back to this tutorial. In this video, we'll show you how to use Vlookup in Google Sheets. Let's look at the format of the Vlookup function is equal to symbol the name of the function, which is Vlookup. Vlookup means vertical lookup, the opening parenthesis, the search key you want to look up. For example, the search key can be any one of the cells in any column except the last one. The range is to search. The index, which is the number of the columns from which to extract data. The index is 1 for the first column, 2 for the second column, and so on. The optional is sorted. Its value will be true if the column is sorted, false if the column is not sorted. The closing parenthesis. Here is an objective to use the Vlookup function to extract the product name of product number HP8. Now, let's type the Vlookup function in this cell. First, type the equal to symbol. Next, type Vlookup. Then open parenthesis and select the product name because it is the search key. Type comma. Next, select the cell range in the table. Type comma, type 2 for the index because column 2 has product names. Type comma, type false for assorted because we want an exact match. Further, the column product name is not sorted. The closing parenthesis. Press Enter. There you go. The Vlookup function has returned HP laptop as the product name for product number HP8. So finally, you have received your product which want to find by using Vlookup function. And there you have it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.